Wouldn't it be great to make an extra $45 per hour without having to leave the comfort of your home? Check out this video to learn more about how you can start making money online today. We all know that making money is tough. But what if I told you that making money online could be both fun and easy? With a little imagination, financial freedom is now within your reach. If you follow today's strategy, you can make money passively online with little effort. All it requires is for you to press a button on your computer or mobile device, and that's all. Can you give me a few minutes of your time so I can explain how this method works? This method is easy to follow and doesn't require any technical knowledge, a large social media following, or engagements. You won't need to talk or make videos. All you need to do is be present with me at the moment so that you can absorb all the information that I will impart. So let's get started. Now, let's get back to the video. To begin, I want you to go to Sellix.com, which is a free benchmarking tool for Amazon sellers aimed at helping improve their customers' experiences. After that, I want you to scroll down and click on Affiliates button located just below this section towards the bottom of the page. After clicking that button, you will be redirected to this page here. With the Sellix affiliate program, we can earn money by advertising to our preferred market. This is a great opportunity because there is potential to make a lot of money without needing any technical knowledge or having to talk or make videos. All you need to do is be present. Register on this platform by following these steps so you can start earning money right away. Enter the required information and click this button to finish registration. After making your account, get your affiliate link, which will be unique to you. Once you have that linked, go to bit.ly.com and shorten it there. By clicking this button, you can shorten your URL so that it's less daunting and more tempting for clients. By doing what was demonstrated in the video, you will generate more clicks on your link, resulting in more customers for your business. By shortening our links, we increase traffic to our website, which causes more people to buy products. And the more purchases that are made, the more money we can earn. It's really that simple. I can't fathom how much money we can make by using this easy technique constantly. So head on back over to bit.ly.com and copy your shortened link so you can start making some real cash. Then let's go to my favorite social media platform, facebook.com. I'm assuming that everyone watching has a Facebook account, but if you don't, click the link provided below. After you're logged in or have made your account, simply click the button to sign up for and create your own Facebook profile. Then, I want you to search these exact keywords in the Facebook search bar so we can get started. After you search for the keywords, you'll be taken to a page with all of the groups related to Amazon sellers. Once you click it, all of the Amazon seller groups that can help increase your earnings will appear. Now, all that's left to do is join each group. Let's say you just joined this group now. We're going to create a sales pitch that we can use to promote our products. Here's a bonus tip. We'll use Google to find a script for our marketing spiels. You can do this by searching for marketing script template in the search bar. Once you've found a good one, copy and paste it into the Facebook groups you've joined. With this simple machine learning algorithm, you'll be making money on autopilot. Remember to include your personal link in the script. By doing this, individuals who click on it will be taken to the page where they'll be able to buy what you're selling. And that's all there is to it. This will be a great opportunity for our new online entrepreneurs, since all you have to do is copy and paste some lines and then sell your unique link using a script that has already been written for you. And that's it. If you enjoy similar content, take a look at my other videos, and if you like what you see, please give the video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. If you have further questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. See you in the next video!